Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm here to help you master your streaming and recording setups. Today, we're diving into the world of OBS Studio, one of the most powerful, free tools for content creators. Whether you're a gamer, a YouTuber, or just looking to enhance your online meetings, OBS can elevate your content. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to get started with OBS, including setting up custom shortcuts to make your recording experience effortless. So grab a cup of coffee and let's jump into it. If you enjoy this content or find it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a video.